Do a really quick introduction to a project I've been working on at home called CI Speed. It's all about trying to analyze your CI build times, test durations, failures, skip tests, and that sort of thing. And hopefully, the aim is to actually improve your CI experience by the data and the information this provides. It's an open source project. You can view this on my GitHub. It's all open. Okay, so how does this work? Well, there's two parts to it. There is a Python Postgres backend, and there is a TypeScript React front end with Material UI. It uses GitHub Auth for authentication, so once you've gone through that step, you're presented to this screen, and which you can then add your projects in, which it takes from GitHub. You see them listed here. And then you can click on Analyze, and you start seeing some graphs. So we've got builds per day, tests per build, duration of tests per build, percentage of successful tests, percentage of skip tests, and there's a lot more things to be added here. I've got a growing to-do list on GitHub that you can check out. As well as the graphs, you can actually dig into the individual tests that have actually occurred and why they've errored and why they've failed. So you can actually see what was presented in the actual build log. So you don't need to look at the GitHub build logs if you don't want to. The information is copied into here as well. We have a full Swagger file, REST API, which you can call all the UI functions programmatically, and it's full of API first, so everything is here that the UI does. So how does this work? Well, let's take this project, it's a JavaScript project using Jest. We've added a reporter in to the Jest test step, so now it's going to save all your test results into an XML file, and then in that project's CI, we then say after tests are run, if it's successful or if it's failed, then we can now upload the results to the CI Speed service, and now we can get that data collected and some lovely graphs produced. If you want to know more, please get in touch. If you want to contribute, brilliant, come and see me. All right, catch you later.